Students, myself Choksi. So in previous session we have started a new concept that related to edge point terminology, edge point referencing terminology, in which we have done different types of angle. So in today's session we are going to discuss about a new concept that related to importance of ergonomics, in which we are going to discuss about three topics. First one that related to importance of ergonomics, second one that related to objectives of ergonomics, and third one, an important one, that is ergonomic aspect in automotive design, or you can take automobile design, how it can be implemented. This is very important. So let's start the lecture number 27, that related to importance of ergonomics. So the first and important one, that is importance of ergonomics. So now we can take ergonomics. So what is ergonomics? So ergonomics that related to safety purpose. Either you can take active safety or passive safety. In automobile, in car body, we have done two parameters. First one that related to propulsion, and second one that related to airbag. Right. So both are related to your ergonomics. Right. So let's talk on that. Move forward to first point. First point that related to visual aspect. So now we will take visual aspect, in which we will take different mirror, right? So the blind area can be spotted by that particular mirror. So this is what the visual aspect. Second one, that is airbag warning. So during collision, airbag is play a very important role, because ultimately driver seat design and airbag, that both parameters are very important. Third and important one, that is collision avoidance system. In automobile, in car, you can find out the collision avoidance system. Fourth one, that is comfort and seat belt design. So reachability to all controller is play a very important role in this particular comfort and seat belt design. Forward to next slide. Next one, that is fifth and important one, that is physical aspect of car design. Sixth one, that is design of symbol of automobile control and display. So in this particular 6 point, you will take the example of dashboard, right? Next one, that is informational aspect of vehicle design, and last one, that is reachability of, or you can take reachability to all control. So this is what the importance of ergonomics. Ergonomics based on the safety purpose. Either you can take active safety or passive safety. So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is aspect of designing a car. So there are many parameters which we will take in this particular concept. First one, that is occupant packaging. Second one, that is computer aided design of car, in which you can take one example, like nowadays we will take simulation process on ANSYS software, and we will discuss different forces that acting on car. This is the example of computer aided design of car. So move forward to third point. That is visual aspect in vehicle design, in which you can take a different mirror that can be spotted the blind area, right? So this is what the concept of visual aspect in vehicle design. Fourth one, that is automotive seat design for sitting comfort. So ultimately automotive seat design for sitting comfort, that related to your flexible design, or you can take flexible sitting design of driver seat, and in which you can take the reachability to all control, right? So this is what the aspect of designing a car. So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is vehicle control. The first and important one, that is steering wheel. So there are mainly in vehicle control, you can take 6 or 7 different examples, in which the first and important one, that is steering wheel. The first and important one, that is steering wheel. So it used to change the direction or maintain the one you are driving in. Second one, that is direction indicator. So what is the function of a direction indicator? So it used to indicate you wish to turn. And third one, that is gear level. So it used to change the gear. And fourth one, that is hand parking brake. It used to keep your vehicles stationary. So this is what the vehicle control, in which you can take different example. Here in this particular slide, I have taken 4 different examples. First one, that is steering wheel. Second one, that is direction indicator. Third one, that is gear level, and fourth one, that is hand parking brake. So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is clutch pedal. So it used to change gear in a manual vehicle. Next one, that is foot brake pedal. So it used to slow your speed or to stop. We all know that. And next one, that is accelerator. It used to increase the speed. Next one that is rear view mirror. So it used to see other vehicle and hazard behind you for the safety purpose. So this is what vehicle control concept. So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is aspects of ergonomics. So the first and important target, that is safety purpose. Second one, that is comfort. Third one, that is ease of use. Fourth one, that is productivity and aesthetics. In which productivity, that is equal to output by input. What is our target? Our target is with minimum input you will get the maximum output. So this is our target. So in aspect of ergonomics, there are mainly five different parameters. First, that is safety. Second one, that is comfort. Third one, that is ease of use. Fourth one, that is productivity, or you can take performance. And last one, that is aesthetics. So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is safety or ergonomics designing tips. So in first point, I have attached first point that related to use energy absorbing material in the collapsible crash structure. So first of all, what is safety or ergonomic designing tips? So that related to your safety purpose. Either you can take active safety or passive safety. So the first and important one, that related to your material. So now what first one, that related to material. So use energy absorbing material in the collapsible crash structure. So this is what the first point. Second one, that is for lightweight, use a stress scheme over a lightweight core material. Third one, that is triangulate the driver safety cell to prevent collapse. And last one, that is use a clear wind screen or bodywork to increase the vision. So first one, 2 point. So first 2 point that related to material concept. Third point that related to your driver safety cell. And last one, that is related to wind screen for vision, clear vision. Right. So this is what the concept safety and ergonomics design tips. So move forward to fifth point. So fifth one, that is keep the fuel cell and battery away from the driver and danger. Next one, that is don't scrimp on safety. Next one, that is reachability of occupants. You can take reachability of all controller. And next one, that is use a clear wind screen. So this is what the 8 different safety ergonomics design tips, right? So it is just like a safety purpose. Next one, that is dashboard instrument. So as we all know about the car dashboard instrument, right? So let's focus the first point, that is speedometer. Second one, that is odometer, trip odometer, battery charging system lamp. Second one, that is oil pressure gauge, coolant temperature gauge, low oil pressure lamp, handbrake lamp and fuel gauge. And last one, that is turn light and engine service indicator. So these are the main dashboard instrument in car body, or you can take in vehicle body, right? So move forward to next slide. Next one, that is design of symbol for automobile control and display. So in which we will take 4 different examples. So here I have attached 2 different images that related to design of symbol for automobile control and display. And which first and important one, that is digital meter. So what is the function of a digital meter? So it discrete digital meter maximize forward visibility and help create a sense. Second one, that is triangular steering wheel. So what is the function of triangular steering wheel? So it helps harmonize exterior and interior design for a feeling of unity throughout. Third one, that is centrally positioned audio panel. So what is the function of centrally positioned audio panel? So audio component is centrally positioned at the top of the instrument panel. And last one, that is texture dashboard and console. So what is the function for that particular concept? Trim with a new texture material with a refined look and feel. So this is what the main 4 different design of symbol for automobile control and display. Thank you so much. In this particular session, we have completed importance and objectives of ergonomics. So thank you so much.